Alfredo.
So, nami chicken Alfredo made by Mang Hod. She is the chef. And si Mama ang chef.
Thank you. I want to say thank you to my daughter. To all my daughter who sponsor for this, and of course for cooking my bunso. Picture. Thank you for cooking.
Yawa, uy. Lamian dyan siya sa iyahang purple cake na. Wao, na-apay purple sa iyahang saan, bakbo.
Lamig ni siya daw init na mo.
We have Mang Inasal, barbecue, salad, beef steak, lumpia, and pang nachos na mo, burritos, and so dito gana mo, kare-kare,
Kare-kare.
and cookies. Yay!